Qwen3-Coder versus Claude Opus 4.1. In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, our tools are becoming more than mere extensions of our hands. They are becoming our partners. We stand at the precipice of a new frontier, where artificial intelligence assists in crafting the digital world. Today, two titans enter the arena, each a pinnacle of engineering from different schools of thought. On one side, we have Qwen3-Coder, a model fine-tuned for the pure art of programming. On the other, Claude Opus 4.1, a conversational AI with a deep contextual understanding of logic and language. This is not just a comparison, it's a glimpse into the future of coding itself. Let's first turn our attention to Qwen3-Coder, the specialist. Imagine a master artisan whose entire life has been dedicated to a single, perfect craft. This model was forged in the crucible of immense code repositories, learning the syntax, structure, and rhythm of countless programming languages. Its primary strength lies in its incredible speed and precision, generating highly optimized code with breathtaking efficiency. It doesn't philosophize. It builds, acting as a direct extension of a developer's will to create. Qwen3-Coder is the surgical instrument designed for complex, well-defined technical operations, where performance is the ultimate measure of success. Now we observe its challenger, Claude Opus 4.1, which represents a different philosophy entirely. If Qwen3 is the specialist artisan, Claude is the polymath architect who understands the entire blueprint of a project. It's not just about writing code. It's about understanding the human intent and context behind the request. This AI excels in dialogue, reasoning through problems, and explaining its logic in clear, accessible English. Its power comes from its vast contextual window, and its ability to act as a true collaborative partner. The stage is now set for a direct confrontation between focused precision and holistic understanding. The first challenge begins. Craft a solution for a complex, labyrinthine sorting algorithm. This is a pure test of logical reasoning and computational efficiency, a domain where precision is paramount. We first unleash Qwen3-Coder, and its response is immediate and direct, like a laser beam cutting through steel. It dissects the problem's core requirements, ignoring extraneous details, and constructs a highly optimized function with surgical accuracy. The resulting code is dense, powerful, and a testament to its training on performance-critical tasks. It's a stunning display of raw, unadulterated coding prowess designed for pure speed. In stark contrast, Claude Opus 4.1 approaches the same algorithmic challenge with a more contemplative strategy. Before writing a single line of code, it appears to reason through the problem, sometimes even asking clarifying questions about edge cases or intended use. Its process is less like a laser and more like a river, exploring the problem space before converging on an elegant solution. The final code is not only efficient but also remarkably readable, complete with comments explaining the logic. This highlights its strength not just as a coder, but as a communicator that bridges the gap between machine logic and human comprehension. Our next trial moves from creation to restoration, debugging a chaotic legacy codebase. This is a digital archaeological dig, a tangled web of undocumented functions and hidden dependencies where brute force logic often fails. We first task Qwen3-Coder with untangling this mess, and it attacks the problem systematically. It scans for syntax errors, logical inconsistencies, and known anti-patterns with incredible speed, much like a powerful static analysis tool. Its approach is data-driven and relentless, identifying broken links and potential vulnerabilities with machine-like precision. It is a detective working purely on the evidence presented in the code itself. Claude Opus 4.1 now wades into the same debugging quagmire, but its method feels profoundly different. It reads the code not just as a set of instructions, but as a narrative written by a previous developer. By inferring the original intent from variable names, sparse comments, and overall structure, it offers more holistic suggestions. It doesn't just point out errors. It explains why they might have occurred and proposes refactoring strategies that improve maintainability. This collaborative approach transforms debugging from a simple fix into a learning opportunity, showcasing its deep contextual reasoning. After these trials, a clear picture emerges of two distinct, powerful philosophies. Qwen3-Coder embodies the role of the ultimate specialist, a high-performance engine designed for a single purpose: generating optimal code for well-defined tasks. It is the Formula One car you use when the track is clear and speed is the only goal. This makes it an unparalleled asset for competitive programming, algorithmic challenges, and performance-critical development where the problem statement is unambiguous. Its strength is its focused, unyielding precision, a direct conduit from a clear instruction to an efficient result. Claude Opus 4.1, conversely, proves itself to be the versatile generalist, the seasoned architect who can see the forest and the trees. Its true power is unlocked in situations filled with ambiguity, where conversation and context are key. It excels at refactoring complex systems, brainstorming architectural designs, and serving as a patient tutor that explains intricate concepts in simple terms. You choose Claude not just for the code it writes, but for the collaborative journey of understanding it facilitates. The decision isn't about which is better, but which is the right tool for the job at hand. In the end, this comparison reveals that the future of coding isn't a zero-sum game with a single winner. It's about an expanding toolbox that empowers developers with unprecedented capabilities. The choice between Qwen3-Coder's surgical precision and Claude Opus 4.1's contextual wisdom is a new kind of creative decision. The true skill for the modern developer is learning how to leverage these distinct intelligences to augment their own. This synergy is the next frontier of software engineering. Which of these powerful AI assistants best fits your personal workflow and coding style?